Alright guys, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be an unboxing video. Alright, about 4 days ago I ordered a Lubix Ultimate GuHong, and well, of course off of Lubix.com, LubixCube.com, my bad. And it was I was kind of anticipating this coming, so here we go. I heard it was a very good cube by a lot of friends, so okay. Stickers, PayPal receipt. Alright, and here we go. This looks really nice. Alright, let's get it open. I always use a scissor to get this part open because it pulls out nicely and you don't tear it. Comes out right like that. Very easy. And here is the cube. Oh, this is a very nice cube. It's not as good as the Elite, but this is a really good cube actually. I wasn't expecting it to be this good, but geez. H-perms are good on it. See how the corner cutting is. Okay, let's see. See if we can do a 45. Nah. Close though. Close. Very, very nice cube. I definitely recommend this. I'm going to lube it here soon. Well, actually it's already got lube in it. But I highly recommend this, and I might do a review on it. But get this cube. I would recommend actually getting the Elite, but if you want to get this cube, because Elites are like actually decently hard to get, but yeah, this Ultimate is good enough for me, so I'll make another video soon. I'll see you guys later. Bye.